Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC ula banjur halor kejing dankam ya kejing bay tengka jeng kirip shimet ban kentiu ya kejing permi ya kejing ri ha kejelah kene kejing kren kalong hadin ba uni menteri dangshan ula yuk jat syari lom garo ban kemi bniak ya kerukam trekam jongki jakari jeng ri bela peniat da kesorkar ha kete kejakah uba ALHEC ula kubur ba kejing permi ya kejing ri kam kiu setia ha kejelah bat kumta ula khot lawer ia kejing trelang na kiri shimet halor ke public private partnership PPP mode kenang ban kentir kejing permi ia kejing ri ha kini kejing lai yuk jat jong u ba hek ulai ro ia ki ofisar bat kentu ia ki jakari jing ri bela penyat da ke sorkar ban kentiu syuk ia kejing permi ia kejing ri.
So we got all the feedback, the information from all the farms, whether it's cattle farm, you talk about poultry farm, you talk about poultry farm, piggery farm, whatever farms are available there. So, of course, there are also a shortage of manpower in every farms, but you know, the government also has a limitation. Just give it to the private party. Let's do in PPP model. So the government also will have some revenue sharing, and we create revenue and create employment also at the same time to the people, particularly in the rural areas.